Hey guys, Hayes here, and today I'm going to show you how to build a 9-digit combination lock. So the first thing you need to do is make a 5x4 layout of wood or any block that you want. After you got that, you're going to want to do a 5x5 of wood with planks in the middle, or it can be any type of block you want. But the combination that I'm going to do is 2, 7, and 9. Next thing you're going to want to do is do 5 up from the last block right here. You're going to do 5 up and then over 3 and fill it all in with a block of your choice and then a door right here. Next thing that you're going to do is you're going to put the redstone torches on the blocks, the levers that you flip. Next thing that you want to do is put a repeater right here, here, and here. And then you're going to bring this to the floor, same as the other side, connect it together. Last step is to put a block in front of this one, bring that to the ground, bring it over 2, bring it over 1, 2, 3, 4, then put a torch. Then you're gonna want to do is 3 blocks right here, 1 block out right here, and connect it to this right here. And then last thing that you want to do is from this torch right here, bring it all the way to the door, and then that's all. So I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for my next video.